Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out. Kicking you out on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm app. Here you can uninstall your app as you see, then you can install it again to fix that problem like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.